Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. Hello kids! So I wanted to start off by saying thank you to Jennifer who sent me this lovely card. I often don't get cards from my customers, so this is a joy. And this must be the strip scrappy, I can't even remember I'm not good with the names of techniques. Anyway, I loved that card and I wanted to share it with you. This is the card kit of the month for November of 2022. I am featuring a brand new stamp set called Garden Meadow. You can't get this until the November 7th, I believe. But I'm giving you a sneak peek of it. And also I'm using some beautiful new paper that will come out at the same time. It is called Meandering Meadows. So I'm using Blueberry Bushel for the ink today. And as you can see, some of the accent colors are Blueberry Bushel as well. So of course you're going to use whatever stamp set. And hopefully you won't get ink all over your fingers like I just did. It's okay though. I'll wipe it off and I'll flip some of the pages around. I can't believe I just got ink everywhere though. Oh my goodness. So you're going to use whatever sentiment that you have handy. And I put a dimensional on the sentiment, and then they're like labels now, so I'm just going to set them off aside. So you're going to get one solid piece of designer series paper. You're going to cut 1/8 of an inch off, and then you're going to cut both of the other two at 1 3/8. Now I mixed up these, but it doesn't really matter. And I wanted to make mention too. So I pre-folded this card for you, but you just have to burnish the sides. And so it is a 4 1/4 inch piece of card, and it's by 11 though, and I have scored it specifically for you so you know where the paper goes. Now I think I cut the paper at 4 1/4, so you're going to have to cut it down a little bit to 3 7/8. So before you get cutting, I would probably cut either the top or the bottom off to 3 7/8. So you just need, just a little bit off. And again, I had these all in order, and then I put the wrong one where it's supposed to go. And I just noticed that while I was editing this video. So, see, it's off. The mountains are off. I'm doing too many things. All right, so I made sure to put the hello. I wanted it on the second fold. So isn't that gorgeous? You got to say that this paper is amazing. I just really wanted you all to have a taste of it. So hopefully you will be a part of this card kit. And so basically I had this little extra piece left over. Don't cut this piece down because your Blueberry Bushel is perfectly aligned for that. So I have a little stain on that white page. So I'm going to put this on. This is Moody Mauve, and it goes so nicely with this paper. We often don't use that color or that in color, or I don't anyway. But it's perfect. It goes so nicely with these beautiful paintings. And it was an artist painting actually who made this, and she made them small, and they had to blow up the picture for us to use in our designer series paper. So her paintings were very, very tiny, which I thought was really interesting. Just a little FYI. So I'm doubling up on one side of my sentiment piece here. And there it is. So there's one little extra piece left over, and I figured I'd give it to you rather than having a whole bunch of random strips of paper in my stash. I'd like to see what you do with it. You can post it on my Facebook page if you made another card with it, or if you made a bookmark. I'd love to see it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for thumbs upping. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for doing all the YouTubey things. And I will see you again soon. Bye for now.